Good morning, people. So today is the 29th of November, and just to let you know that there is just one more day left to get Faceless flipping with 10 guaranteed sales. Now, for those of you who haven't seen, I'm going to be dropping a link below this video to come and watch a video on Paul Lynch and Paul Turner and everyone describe exactly what you get in the faceless flipping and how it can benefit you. Now, if this sounds like it's something for you and you want to build your TikTok up, then I suggest you come and take a look at this video, because it has a lot of insights in there on what they're going to do and how they're going to do it. So I'm going to be dropping the link. It's https://kevinebsworth.com FFF. Okay, guys, so I'll put it on the screen here and you just need to click the link in the description.
Hey, this is a quick video testimonial and shout out to Paul Lynch and his new TikTok faceless flipping training. I got in just over 1 month ago, and I literally followed his step-by-step blueprint. Literally takes me about a couple of minutes every single day. I post every single day daily, and I've been posting since I started, and I've now just hit over 5,500 followers. It's a brand new TikTok account, and I just went viral and hit my first 1.1 million views video on TikTok. So I'm really happy with this training. I'm learning a lot about how to go viral on TikTok, and I'm loving everything that Paul is providing. The community is amazing, and his training is just simple, straight to the point, and just helps you to do what you need to do on TikTok. So thanks, Paul, much appreciated.
Hey Paul, you ready for another shout out? This is just absolutely amazing what you've created here. You know, 50,000 followers on TikTok, 750,000 likes. It's going absolutely crazy on my account. So we got the TikTok shop set up. Just want to show you something. There we go, last 7 days, 345 114. I'll just show you that I'm connected to my 80s account there. Kaboom.
Hey Paul, I can't thank you enough. This is Dominic from the United States. I just passed 12.8 thousand followers on TikTok in just over 4 weeks. My top video just hit 1.2 million views. I just was approved this morning for the creator program through TikTok. Can't thank you enough. I look forward to what's in the future. I thank you.
Hi Paul, I've been on Faceless flipping program now for less than a week. I put a video up this morning, less than an hour, I'd got nearly 800 views, and my best one, as I say, having not been on for a week yet, is now about 23,000 views. It's a brilliant program, training's good, lots of questions getting answered, thoroughly recommend it, and good luck with the rest of it.